What's up, flame makers? This is Milan Botrai and you're watching me and my flame. This tutorial is all about tracking TV screen and replacing it in After Effects. I've done this in my short film idiot. If you haven't watched my 1 minute short film, then please watch it by clicking the link in the description. Before getting started, I just want to tell you that you can find many long and complicated videos on YouTube about this. They use different methods for tracking the screen like Mocha, but the one that I will be using here is called perspective corner pin method, which is super easy and super fast. So let's get started. Okay, now drag the video clip to new composition. As you can see, this is a clip from my short film idiot. Here you can see that the TV screen is off, it's blank. Now trim the video, right click and select trim comp to work area, just like this. Okay, now double click the video clip. This brings you to the next layer. Go to tracker and select track motion and select perspective corner pin. This gives you 4 corner pin. You can resize the box. Press Ctrl plus Z to redo it. Yes, now drag the corner pin to the corner of the screen, just like this. Press H for hand tool, and now drag another corner pin to the another corner of the screen, just like this. Now resize inner and outer box to properly track that area. Now select analyze forward. This makes the 4 corner pin to track that selected area throughout the clip. This takes several minutes. Okay, now as you can see, the clip is tracked. The 4 corner of the screen are tracked very nicely. Now we have to drag the clip that we want to replace the screen with, and now select the previous clip, double click it, go to edit target and select the clip that we have just dragged, hit OK, and now hit apply. Boom, as you can see that the screen is now replaced by the video that we have just dragged in the timeline. So in this way we replace the screen of a TV by tracking its 4 corner in After Effects. To make it more realistic, go to normal and select screen. It makes the clip more realistic. So if this tutorial was helpful, then feel free to subscribe to the channel, give it a like and share with friends. In order to export it, select both the layer, go to pre-compose and select move all the attributes, rename it and hit enter. And now uh, go to composition, add to render queue, and select the output region, rename the file and hit save and render to render it out.